and good morning. A happy Wednesday, happy hump day to all of my lovely YouTube followers. How are you guys today? Thanks for coming along with me. Today, Jax and I leave the great state of Illinois to possibly not come back for a few months as we get ready to see new states along the Great River Road Tour down south. We'll see what today brings. Thanks for coming along, guys. So first we got to cross this big body of water here, and as I talked about on Monday, this is not the Mississippi. This will become the Mississippi pretty soon. It'll merge, but no, this is the Ohio River here. And so this body of land over here is the great state of Kentucky, which once we get back to the Great River Road, Kentucky will only be a very small portion of the Great River Road, but still, it passes through. Want to get gas because there's a huge change between Illinois gas prices and Kentucky prices. The lowest I could find over here on this side of the river was $2.65 a gallon, but there's a pilot up here. We'll check. Gas is $2.19 a gallon here in Kentucky, compared to $2.65 on the other side of the bridge. And actually, with my Good Sam's discount, it's going to bring it down to $2.14 a gallon. When we're talking Florida gas prices now. Yes! I love it. So we'll fill up. I timed that perfectly. Just because it's new, every time I stop, I check my straps. And actually, you probably should no matter what. No matter what your motorcycle is, always check the no problems with the straps, although I can watch it from the camera up here. Boy, I love getting cheap gas. $2.14 a gallon. Yes. Cheap gas score. Score. Kentucky. National Quilt Museum. Quilt Museum. Hey Siri, things to do in Paducah, Kentucky. The Hillbilly Garden in Calvert City. Hillbilly Garden, Jax. You want to touch it? Want to try it? Let's try that. Well, sorry guys, I couldn't take you to the Quilt Museum. I think we did okay though. I already checked in with the nice hillbilly folks that live here right now, gave them a little donation to look around and share their property here on YouTube for you. This is the Hillbilly Garden with chickens hanging around the jail here. Hey, guy. And look, pigs. We got oinkers and turkeys, chickens. I don't know about the hotel check-in process, though. That looks a little creepy. Hey there, baby pig. Are you an oinker? You look like an oinker. Who's your friends? Oh. So, officially, the Apple Valley Store and Hillbilly Arts and Art Gallery. Okay. Hey there.
How are you?
Good, how are you doing?
This was my husband's grandparents' property.
And what's your name?
I am Diane.
Diane, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. We inherited in 2003 and moved back in 2005. Not realizing we were going to end up in a land war with the neighbors. Yeah. And all the artwork, honestly, came out of us trying to get around the county. Because they tried to keep closing us down.
You gotta do what you gotta do. But first we gotta say hi to Mr. Nuts. Hey, buddy. You've been adopted by the Hillbilly Garden. What do you think? Oh, okay. Do some laps. And I guess I can kind of understand why people might be a little scared to enter something like this. But they welcome tourists and people to stop on by, so that's really cool. And they do have some cool artwork worth taking a look at. Look at this, Hillbilly Garden. Ah. That's art, guys. Art, yeah. Cadillac Ranch, eat your heart out. It's the Lawnmower Ranch. Yes. The vacuum tree, yeah. Wanted, the chicken catcher. Oh, it's just creepy. Huh. Oh, and look, They decorated for Christmas with Milwaukee's best ornaments. I like it. See, bear, lion, tiger. That's a dog. Oh, the hillbilly brown bear. Okay. Woof woof. All right, buddy. How you doing? Do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Anybody else creeped out? What's in here? Okay. Shoe tread? Don't tread on me. Beautiful. He's actually got some antiques here, guys. Do you know what this is? This is the very first three-way calling system. Quite a few bottle trees. Get a load of this camper. Who lives here? Anybody afraid of clowns? We got some creepy clowns on the side of this one. That looks dangerous.
Well, it could be for scared elephants, but it does come off.
Oh, okay.
Nice opening there, but...
I think everything is meant to be a pun. This is, well, radiator springs, obviously. A radiator on top of the bed springs. Yeah. Jack and the beanstalk. Who is the devil? I see what you did there. Okay. And if you are, then you're obviously going to join the hot party. But look, they provided an air conditioner. Mashed potatoes. Oh, get it? Mash. Oh, and boot cemetery. But look, radar made an appearance. The hillbilly workout station. Like the weights. I don't know. Want to join the Holy Rollers Club? That's what this is. The Holy Rollers Club. Yep. The old rugged cross. I mean, the old rugged cross. Made out of carpet squares. We got deer caught in the headlights here on the front. Literally. But this car doesn't move too fast. I mean, it's only got 1 horsepower. Toyland? What the? Oh, look. A king is born. Let's go check out Toyland, everybody. Oh my gosh. What the? Hey, look. There's our trolls. Pee-wee. I love it. There's Sylvester over there. What the heck? I love the Dukes of Hazzard car hanging there. Whoa. All right, we're back on the road. Actually gonna go back west now and definitely get back on the Great River Road. Like I said, Kentucky doesn't include very much of that particular route anyway, and this was way off the route. So that's just what we're doing. And it is supposed to rain tonight. I know it doesn't look like it, but the clouds are gonna move in and it's gonna rain. So I wanna put on some miles. Are you going underneath the seat? Okay. And he's going underneath the seat. Okay. So just a quick heads up here, guys. I have been arguing with Google Maps like non-stop. It really wanted me to go this route, and I finally just gave up because it just would not stop. But I think it messed up. I don't think there's actually a road over the Mississippi. And actually, oh my gosh, ferry parking. You gotta be kidding me. I don't know what to do here.
There you go. You get that one wheel on, you're good. Keep going left, dude. Keep going left. Now, go right now. All good, brother. I've done that before.
I know. Well, like I said, Google Maps and I don't always get along, but we're gonna get to the other side. We got Yoda loaded onto the ferry here. We're gonna go across the Mississippi River on a ferry for the first time. This should be interesting. Well, what a neat little surprise. My friends Sean and Jill from East Alton, Illinois at Modified, they're coming down. It's like a 2.5-hour drive. I told them I was going to be eating here at the Throw Roll place, and they're driving all the way down from Alton. 2.5 hours to be here to hang out. So really cool. Get to see friends. They're so awesome. I'm really going to miss them. Hopefully see them back this spring. But yeah, going to have dinner there with company. So cool. Well, the rain finally showed up as promised. We're going to go inside and get some food here at Lambert's, the home of the Throwed Rolls. So you might notice in this restaurant they have a lot of license plates around here, also all across the walls and everything. So I found a perfect spot to finally donate my Washington State Nomad license plate. So I'm going to have them display it here in the restaurant. And if you want to come in and see Lambert's here in Sykeston, Missouri, you'll see my plate here.
Good.
Awesome. Thanks, guys. Got my magnet. He's throwing bread. Awesome. That's actually a really cool looking rubber magnet there, and he's throwing rolls. Woohoo! Adios, guys. Jackson and I will see you on Friday. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.
I got it!